Want to turn your old, blurry, low-resolution videos into crystal clear 4K masterpieces? Today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using Topaz Video AI. Whether you have old family footage, low-res phone clips, or professional projects that need a quality boost, Topaz Labs has become a go-to name for creators. They use Emmy Award-winning deep learning technology to handle noise reduction, sharpening, and most importantly, upscaling. To get started, you have two main options depending on your setup. If you want to work directly in your web browser without heavy hardware, you can use Topaz Astra, their web-based video upscaling tool, which starts at $19 a month. If you prefer running things locally on your machine with full creative control, you can use Topaz Video Desktop, which starts at $59 a month. Using the software is incredibly straightforward. First, you import your video. From there, you can select from their powerful AI models, like the Starlight Precise 2.5 model, to enhance your footage. You can choose to upscale your video all the way to 4K, add fine details, reduce low light noise, or even apply stabilization and smooth slow motion. Once you've selected your settings, you let the AI process the video locally or render it in the cloud. Now, to be completely transparent, we don't have a configured database of external user reviews to share with you today. However, looking at the official setup, a clear benefit is the flexibility. You can choose between browser-based cloud rendering with Astra or local desktop processing. The main drawback for casual creators is likely the price, as the desktop version is a premium investment starting at $59 a month. If you want to give your videos a professional facelift, head over to topazlabs.com to check out their plans. What do you think? Are you going to try the desktop app or the web version? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. See you next time.